Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your pharmacy assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today, I'm bringing you a complete guide to Domperidone. If you've ever felt nauseous or have been sick to your stomach, this video is for you. We're going to cover everything you need to know about this medicine. First things first, what is Domperidone? It's a medicine used to treat nausea and vomiting. Doctors also prescribe it to relieve that feeling of being too full after eating and to help the stomach empty better in people with digestive problems. So how does it work? Domperidone works by blocking dopamine receptors in the brain. This prevents signals that cause nausea and vomiting from reaching the brain. Simply put, it helps calm your stomach and feel better. Now let's talk about the dosage and how to take it. The typical starting dose is 10 milligrams, 1 to 3 times a day before meals. It's important that you follow your doctor's instructions carefully and do not exceed the dose they have given you. As with any medication, there are side effects. The most common are dry mouth, headache, and dizziness. Although not as common, some serious side effects can be irregular heartbeat and allergic reactions. If you notice any side effects, contact your doctor immediately. In short, Domperidone is a very useful tool for treating nausea and vomiting when used correctly. Remember to follow your doctor's instructions and be aware of any side effects. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to consult with your healthcare professional. Take care and see you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.